Hello students, this session is of social studies and for the students of class 5. Chapter 10 Information Communication. And here is your presenter, Leila Heather. Students, in this video you will learn about the role of media in political process, newspaper, the content of the newspaper, news report, advertisement, public service messages, facts and opinion. Keywords for this lesson are assemblies, description, air schedules, editorial, objectivity, political process, advertisement. Role of media in political process. Mass media plays a critical and important role in educating the general public. We live in times when political events are reported and discussed in the media. The mass media in Pakistan has been responsible for making people understand their rights. It gives a chance to the politicians from both the ruling party and the opposition to defend the policies of their parties. Mass media also gives an opportunity to the people to ask their representatives sitting in the various assemblies to explain what they have done for the people. Political process is associated with governance of a country and the activities of a political party. Social media forums are used by political parties to strengthen their vote bank. Various parties use social media like Twitter and Facebook to broadcast their party's ideas and also to provide day-to-day news updates regarding their leadership and party. Sometimes politicians use social media as a negative forum to harm the reputation of other political parties. Politicians use videos and news items to accuse and blame politicians of other parties. Positive messages and services are also displayed on social media by politicians for the welfare of the people of the country. Newspaper. A newspaper is a serial publication containing news about current events, politics, sports, arts, and other topics. Many newspapers are funded through advertising. Advertising can be in the form of adverts or included in the content of the newspaper. Newspapers can provide updates on the economic condition of the country, rail and air schedules, important emergency numbers, and they often provide space for readers to express their views in letters to the editor. Newspapers usually also have an editorial, crossword puzzles, the weather forecast, and birth and death notices. Newspapers are printed in bulk, that's why the paper used is inexpensive and low grade. Content of the newspaper is business, sports, kids stories and comics, entertainment, advertisement, weather, politics, horoscope, etc. News report. News reports are found in newspapers. A news report is a short account of the news. It can be a story in a newspaper or on radio or television about something. It can be a written or spoken description of an event, happening, or incident. The purpose of a news report is to inform readers of what has happened or is happening in the country and the world. News reports should be based on the following points. News report should be factual and objective. The language of the news report should be clear and simple so that it can be understood by ordinary citizens. In a news report, objectivity should be valued. Objectivity is a balanced viewpoint in which personal opinions are not expressed. News reports should be based on truth and not on favoritism. Advertisement. An advertisement is an audio or visual form of communication used to promote or sell a product or service. Advertisements do not mention the negative aspect of the product, as the intention is to sell the product. Because the advertiser wants to sell his product, he/she will highlight the positive qualities of the product. Advertisements can be in the form of a jingle, visual representation, or dramatization. Here are a few examples of advertisements. Public service messages. A public service message is an announcement or an advertisement which is made by the government or a private organization in the interest of the general public. The main objective is to create awareness among the public and to make them realize their responsibilities towards their country or an issue of importance. Here are some public service messages. What is a fact? A fact is something that is known or proved to be true. A fact is a statement based on truth and worldly proven. A fact does not change, it is a real statement. Examples of a fact are: alligator and crocodiles are the examples of reptiles. The adult human body has 206 bones. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Bees produce honey for humans. A car has 4 wheels. There are 7 days in a week. What is an opinion? An opinion is a belief, an idea, or judgment of any person or group of people. An opinion is a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. Opinions are not based on proved statements. Opinions can be discussed or can be argued. Examples of an opinion: roses are prettier than daisies. Today, weather is very pleasant. A polar bear is the most fun animal to watch. Green is a refreshing color. Summers are better than winters. Chocolate ice cream is delicious. Thank you for watching.